Hello and welcome back to AW Toolbox. In this video, we are wrapping up our quick little what's new topics inside of Teamcenter 2406. Now, everything that we have done in the course so far is just to kind of give you a taste of what all's new in this version. A lot of new features are coming into play. There are things like AI chat mechanisms and enhancements to the command builder and whatnot, but the ones that we focused on are the ones that are going to hit you day to day. And then for the other ones, you can take a look at some of our courses that are coming out this fall. And we'll be happy to dive into the ins and outs of those, as they're a little bit more robust to talk about than what we can do in a little video. So in here, this last topic is related to style sheets in Active Workspace. And so far in Active Workspace, we have had the ability to edit style sheets using this XRT Editor. Siemens has, in later versions, implemented what's called an inject statement into style sheets, which is the ability to inject one style sheet into another one, and it's been extremely useful. The problem is that we have never been able to really edit them. So if I come into my Active Architect location in here, so my workspace, and I select the XRT Editor view in Teamcenter 2406, one thing that you'll notice is that the entirety of this layout has been enhanced for usability's sake, so it'll tell you that there's no XRT loaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and go to my other page, switch into my author workspace, and guide myself to an existing style sheet. One of the things that I can pull up here is just maybe an out-of-the-box style sheet for an object. If I then go to XRT Editor, you can see that the style sheet opens up. And Siemens has provided this outline view again in this version, so the outline view is pretty nice. But in that outline view, you can see, if I scroll down, there's an injected style sheet here. The injected style sheet has always been able to be looked at like this, but if we wanted to edit it, we had to actually go search for it and modify it by itself. It would never really show inside of here. So instead of having to find the name of it and search for it and edit it, Siemens has provided this little open button now inside of the XRT Editor. If I come in here and I click this open button, it's going to open up that injected style sheet right here in the display for me and give me a breadcrumb path as to where I'm located with regards to the main style sheet and the sub style sheet. So this is really cool because then this one actually has another injected style sheet in it. And if I open this one up using the open button on it, I can dive even deeper into this and get to the source or the base of these injects. Now in here, this is a huge enhancement as it'll let you work more effectively with your style sheets in the system. The overarching component display or the outline view is really nice. They've moved it from the right to the left from previous versions, and you still get a nice enhancement to expand and collapse in here. So I feel like this is a major enhancement. This is really going to optimize how I work with style sheets and how my customers work with style sheets in the system.